Hi, I'm going to show you how to share your students' journal with them. First thing you want to make sure you do is that you have a journal saved just for that particular student. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to save this as Haley's September journal. I do not have the option to save into OneDrive from my Save menu. I cannot get mine to stay, but there's a way around it. So what we're going to do next is we are going to click on File, Share, and because I didn't already save it into my OneDrive, I will need to save it into my OneDrive. So we're going to click on the K-12 OneDrive. Okay, now that it is ready to share, this box pops up. You want to make sure that you have selected, you don't change this, anyone with this link can edit, because you want your students to be able to edit what you are sending them. So now we're going to start typing the name of the person you want to share it with. You will see they pop up. I'm going to share this with Haley. Their name shows up here. You only want to share it with one student at a time. Anyone with the link can edit. If you share it with two students, then both can edit that same journal, and we don't want that. If you want to type a message to them, you can type a message to them. And then we press send. And we get the green check mark. It's all saved and sent to Haley. Now, once your student edits that journal, the copy that you also have will automatically update. So you will see in real time the updates that they are making to their journal.